Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Piggie from Elephant and Piggie. So let's get started. To draw this cute pig, let's first start by drawing the snout. So I'm going to start right here and draw a really big oval. And it's just easier for my hand to start here. So I'm just going to go ahead and go around. And about right here. Now I've created this curve. I'm going to come down and go around. And same thing here. And connect. There. So now I've created this oval. I'm going to come into the center area, say about right here, and just draw a little oval and fill it in on both sides. So kind of centering it right about here for the nostrils. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So this is kind of like around my center area. I'm going to come up and go to the left, and about right here, just go ahead and start another oval for the eye. So right on top of that big oval, and then we're going to come across, say about right here, and draw the same thing. There. And now just come, you know what, let's put a highlight right here and shade it all in. The original doesn't have a highlight, it's all shaded in, but I just want to add a little sparkle to the eye. And same thing here. If it doesn't work, I'll shade it all in later, in case it looks weird. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. Let's draw a big smile for Piggie. So let's say maybe the center of this part right here of the nostril, we're gonna come about right here, the snout I mean, and give myself a point, and I'll drag a point across, same thing on the other side, but right there. And from using that as my guide, I'm gonna come down and draw this big curve going across all the way back to my point. And cap it off for a very happy Piggie. There. And then let's see here. Then let's go ahead and draw the face. So I'm going to come above the eyes, and before I do that, I almost forgot. I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve over each eye. Then I'll say about right here, right over there, over the brow area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right over the eyes. And then I'm going to imagine this as a big oval, and I'm going to skip a little bit of space and say about right here, I'll continue and draw a big curve around for my face. So same thing here, just skip a little bit of space, maybe not much, and just like the other side, we're just going to go around the face and bring it in to about right here where the snout is, and same thing here to the same level there. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So I'll just use this space right here and come about right here and round off the tip and bring it down. So same thing here, go up, round off the tip, and come down. There. Then from there we need to draw the body. So I'll come about right here. Same thing once again where the snout, the sides of the snout are. And I'm going to draw the body. So nice and centered. And let's go ahead and just draw this very simple body. So we're just going to come down right here and then just round it off. To about right here, bring it down. Same thing on the other side and connect. There. And so now that we have that, let's come back to the center. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start the legs. And I'm just going to come down at an angle like that. And then let's work on this side. So about here, I'm going to go ahead and follow the same angle and stop about right there. And now that we're about the same height, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So same thing here. There, nice and simple, right? Hopefully. And then for the hands, let's say about right here, since this hand is going to be on the foreground, I'll start on this side first. About right here, I'm going to go ahead and come towards my center. About right here, and then pass it a little bit. And then just like the feet, zigzag, and then go right back up. And then the other side, we'll start about the same area and come down. And we want about the same thickness. That's our goal. And come down, and about right here, just zigzag in. There. Aww. And then last thing we need to do is just add a little tail right here for Piggie. And of course, I need to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Piggie from Elephant and Piggie books. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this cute little pig here brought a smile to your day and that helped you draw him fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.